Assalamu alaikum viewers, I am Zubia Irfan. Welcome to another show of CxO Talk. As you know, it's a knowledge sharing platform for all the C-level across the Pakistan and around the globe. Every time we invite some interesting personalities in our show. Today we are honored to have Mr. Mehdi Hassan with us. Mr. Mehdi Hassan is a seasoned tech leader with 25 years of experience in enterprise growth and system transformation. He has led impactful initiatives across telecom, government, and financial sector. At VMware, he headed the professional services business for Pakistan, while also managing key nascent countries like Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and Maldives. Knowing for building high performance teams and driving innovation, he brings a wealth of strategic insights to the tech ecosystem. So let's meet and greet Mr. Mehdi Hassan. Assalamu alaikum.
Ji, welcome, Sam. Thank you, Zubia, for having me.
जी एंड थैंक यू आपने अपने बिजी स्केड्यूल से टाइम स्पेयर किया एंड आई होप हम एक बड़ी एक अच्छी के साथ कन्वर्सेशन कर रहे होंगे
I hope so as well.
सो मिस्टर मेहदी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी प्लीज हमारे व्यूवर्स को अपने बारे में बताइए
Okay, so my name is, as my name says, my name is Mehdi Hassan. Although I cannot sing, but my name is Mehdi Hassan. So this year I celebrated silver jubilee of my career in June. I'm working as VP Business Development at Arcana Info. I come from actually from technical background. So I started my career as a technical tech guy, and from there on, it's a long journey, and I ended here in business development right now.
Great. So, Mr. Mehdi, what attracted you to enterprise business development initially?
Okay, so thing is that it's a challenge. Although life itself is a challenge, right? But I love challenges in my career, starting from my web development to DBAs and ERP implementations and all, right? So I faced challenges in all my career, right? So I was drawn to enterprise business development because it involves solving complex problems at a scale, okay, and building long-term relationships. And again, the challenge of understanding diverse industries and crafting tailored solutions in both intellectually and professionally fulfilling customer needs. So this was my idea to which bring me towards the business development at the end of the day. And the most important thing is that since, as I told you, that I started my career as a tech guy, right? So as a techie, I've faced a lot of challenges because in our time, the sales guys were pure sales guys, right? And all they wanted is to get their number done. And in order to do that, I've faced this problem that they used to commit anything to customer, which was technically not possible, right? So having technical background with me, it gives me edge as well now that I can commit to a customer and set right expectations with them from the start that this is technically possible and this is not technically not possible. So this gives me a little bit edge, and I think nowadays, if you're not technical enough, you cannot do sales or business development.
Very right. So, Mr. Mehdi, how do you approach building high performance teams?
Okay, so building high performance teams is like definitely the core thing is skill, right? But apart from that, what I look in a person, in a tech guy, or maybe in a sales or anywhere, like the attitude and the potential, not just the skills. So because mindset matters a lot in today's fast paced environment. So that is what I look in, and yeah, that's it.
राइट तो मुझे ये बताएं कि आपकी जो how do you keep your teams aligned with the business goals?
So, I mean, keeping in line with the business goals. Uh, so what I do is I ensure that goals are clearly communicated across all levels, right? And breaking them down to into actionable objectives. And apart from that, what we do is we do regular check-ins. We use dashboards, OKRs to track progress, and stay focused on the priorities.
ओके, तो मिस्टर मेहदी, सिस्टम ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के दौरान कोई आपको ऐसा कोई चैलेंज बड़ा आया हो और आपने उसको ओवरकम किया हो, आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट कि आप हमारे व्यूवर्स के साथ शेयर करें.
So they were like, as I said in my intro, right? Life is a challenge, and my career is like based on challenges. So I can share. I mean, from technical perspective, I can share. I started my career as a web developer, right? So one day my boss came to me and he said, "Mehdi, I want you to become a database administrator. We've signed with a large OEM who provides the database. I mean, I'll take the name Oracle, right?" So I said, "I never worked on Oracle," and he said, "No, I'm sure that you'll be able to do it." I said, "Okay, I'll try. I'll give it a try." So the thing is, at that time, we only used to have a dial-up internet connection in office, and that dial-up connection was used by all the office, right? And there was no Google, right? There was not that much help available on the internet. So I went in after a couple of days. I was asked to deploy the Oracle database on a Solaris platform, right? So one, it was Oracle, and then it was Solaris, right? So I was locked in that lab for 3 days, and when I came out, I realized that how this document says how to install Oracle on Solaris is not possible, right? But when I came out after 3 days, I had my own two-pager document which stated that how to install Oracle on Solaris. So I mean, this was a challenge, and right at the start of my career, right? But Alhamdulillah, I was able to overcome it.
ग्रेट, ग्रेट, दैट्स रियली अ बिग अचीवमेंट. um, तो मुझे बताएं कि व्हाट्स योर अप्रोच टू मैनेजिंग स्ट्रेटेजिक पार्टनरशिप्स.
Partnerships, whether it's with the OEMs or because since we are system integrators, right? So we have to manage partnership on different tiers at customers with partnerships with customers, partnerships with OEMs, and probably the distributors and stuff, right? So what I view strategic partnership as long-term collaboration, right? Not just a transaction. Okay, so we build on shared goals and mutual values. My approach begins with clear alignment, understanding the success, what success looks like for both parties. I mean, to create a win-win situation, you can say. So that's how we manage. And again, the most integral part when it comes to customers, that we support customers whether it's midnight or 2 a.m. in the morning. We always support them, and I think that is our key to success, and that is why our customers value us and work with us.
Very right, very right. So how do you decide which software solutions best fit our clients' needs?
Okay, so first of all, what we do is what I especially do is, as I said, that I come from technical background, so I try to understand customers problems and their pain points to the very minute level, right? So once I understand their problem, then I go back on the drawing board and see which software will be best fit. First of all, we need to resolve the main pain point, okay, technical pain point. Then we have to see that the what will be the ROI of it. And the third, and again that is also most important, that I see that okay, today I'm going to solve this problem for the customer, but going a year down the road or 2 years down the road, will this our customer be continue benefiting from this software? So all these things like combined together once when we decide that what will be the best possible solution for customer.
Mr. Mehdi Hassan, very well explained. And my next question is, what role does customers' feedback play in your product management process?
Okay, so customer feedback is definitely essential to our product management process, right? It guides both roadmap priorities and future refinements as well, right? Uh, we treat feedback as a strategic output, not just a support metric. Uh, this helps us stay aligned with the real end user needs. Also, the regular feedback loops through surveys, user testing, direct client interactions help us iterate quickly and effectively.
ग्रेट ग्रेट तो मुझे बताएं कि आप टेक्नोलॉजी में तो इतना क्विकली चेंजेस आ रहे होते हैं, तो आप कैसे उनके साथ अप टू डेट रहते हैं?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Somebody said that once a techie is always a techie, right? So hello, Zubia. Am I audible? I can't hear you. I think you're on mute.
Okay. I think there was some internet connectivity issue. So
Yeah.
let's continue with the question. How do you stay updated with rapidly changing technology trends?
So as I said, once a techie is always a techie, right? So I keep myself up to date, and I do it by regularly engaging with industry reports, okay, analyst briefings, and global tech forums. Again, I also maintain a strong network of peers, partners, and thoughtful leaders, which helps in exchanging insight and early signals. Again, internally we encourage a culture of continuous learning, where team members share trends, tools, and the emerging practices. I also invest a little bit of time in hands-on exploration, like testing new platforms, tools, prototypes to assess real-world relevance. So I mean, although I'm business development side these days, right? But still, when I do this technical stuff, right, it gives me very immense pleasure when I achieve results.
Excellent, excellent. So, Mr. Mehdi, how do you ensure business units become profitable under your leadership?
Yeah, well, the main focus, my main focus is always on optimizing the resource allocation. Okay, uh, ensuring we invest in high impact areas and reduce inefficiencies. And secondly, drive customer value and retention, which is a key lever for like our profitability. So if we are able to retain our customers, right, so we keep getting business from the same customer, because once you become the trusted advisors, right? Customer keep on giving you business, and they always turn to me that, okay, we have this problem. Do you have any solution for this? So I'm always there. So this is this reduction in efficiency, right? And retention of customers, uh, uh, up, like and getting new business from the same customer, as well as expanding the customer portfolio as well. So I mean, there are multiple things which drives the profitability.
Right, right. So, Mr. Mehdi Hassan, what's your strategy for entering a new market or industry segment?
So I mean, you know, the most important thing when once we want to enter into new industry, what we do is we do research, right? Detailed market research, understanding the customer needs, what is the competitive landscape, and the regulatory factors as well, because there are different regulations for different market segments, especially in our in Pakistan, right? Then we identify high value entry points where we can offer clear differentiation or solve like unmet needs, which no one else is able to provide to that customer. And I also prioritize building local partnerships and on ground presence, which accelerates trust and market fit. And our go to market strategy is always like combines targeted positioning, agile product adoption, and we always do it in a phased rollout to minimize the risk. And then,
Okay, so Mr. Mehdi, in the end, I would like to ask, how's going your experience with CXO Global Forum?
see, as I think in one of your questions, I already answered it. Like, how do I keep myself up to date? And I answered it that I have like a network of peers, right? The market leaders in the industry, and CxO Global is one of the platform which links us to those personnel who can with whom we can exchange the ideas, right? And who's doing what, and what I mean, what are their experiences, right? So I think CxO Global is providing that platform to us as well. And also, I mean, this is again, we also learn from the leaders, from the CXO Global interviews who are published, right? So we also learn from those leaders from there as well. So I think it's overall the experience is very good.
Very right. Thank you very much, Mr. Mehdi Hassan, for your precious time. And it has been a very useful discussion with you. I hope our viewers will learn a lot from it. And on behalf of CXO Global Forum, we wish you more and more success in your life. Thank you.
Thank you, Zubia. Thank you for having me. And uh, on behalf of Arcana Info, I want to thank you, and thank you, CXO Global, for having us on this platform. Thank you.
Thank you. So, viewers, this is it for today. Inshallah, see you soon with some another amazing personality. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.